Alright, today we're going to talk about the fuel lift pump on my Fordson Major. You will have to excuse the noise. I'm having a lovely downpour of rain. I'm not going to complain too much about it. Now, this is the original lift pump. When I got the tractor, I had a lot of fuel leaking out of it, and you can buy replacement kits for it, replace the gaskets, the filters inside, everything like that. But I'm still having enough fuel dripping out of it to warrant attention. I think there's a crack in the metal somewhere that the gasket just can't quite seal, and it's just leaking out. And with diesel, it just sticks and get that oily look to it, and it's something I wanted to tidy up. So to take the old one out, obviously you turn the fuel off, undo the two feed pipes, then you also have to undo the two retaining bolts with the spring washers on them. There is also a small gasket in there. Excuse my phone beeping there. Take that off, and then gently pull it down and out. Now the good news is that SpareX parts through eBay or your local dealer, you can purchase a very good reproduction fuel lift pump. This cost me 70 Australian dollars, which the amount of fuel I'm losing is, worth the price. The only thing I can note of difference is on the top here, it's got this plastic tightening wheel to keep the glass bowl in place, whereas the originals had a metal, much more vintage look to it. However, these two parts are interchangeable. So once I'm happy it's connected up and it's not too leaking, I might swap out the plastic for a vintage metal wind down to hold the bowl in place. So obviously we clean that off. We have to make sure the eccentric on the camshaft is opposite the rocker arm on the fuel pump. So you're going to have to move it. The best way I found is I engaged the belt pulley and turned the belt pulley, and it moved it just enough to put it on the opposite side. Makes it inserting it a whole lot easier. Whoop. Replace the bolts, hook up the fuel lines, make sure you fuel the system up, bleed the system through because you don't want any air bubbles, and then away you go. So that's how to remove and replace the fuel lift pump on a Fordson Major. Hopefully not too many distractions in that video between the rain, me dropping a spanner and my phone going off. Till the next one, thank you very much.